Good morning mga ka-excellence and kasalto. We're going to show you yung one of our brood pen for this season 2025 local breeding. This is in response po sa mga nag-request natin to continuously upload videos of our brood pen for this season. So, we have decided to do that para po sa inyo. So, ito po yung aming brood pen number 23, a pen of Gary Gilliam Roundheads. This is a straight breeding po. Yung babae po is mga Gary Gilliam Roundheads as well. This particular brood cock po is 3 years old already, going 4 actually, 3 and a half. He's been good to us, magandang producer po. Even though hindi po namin siya nagagamit pa sa laban, but he has proven himself to produce good roosters and good pullets. In fact, yung mga anak po niya sa amin, may mga nakakuha na po. And maganda naman po yung feedback. Two of his sons ay mga ginagamit po namin din ngayon dito sa breeding namin this season. They are mostly white-legged roosters and pullets. Some comes out yellow, around 10 to 20%. Madami po sa kanila ay pea-comb. We got this from Gary Gilliam, itong pinagsimulan po namin sa Roundheads na ito. We are very fortunate to have them. At, we will continue to breed more of them in the coming season. So, muli po maraming salamat at in the coming days po, as promised, we will continue to upload more videos of our brood pens for this season. And maraming po salamat. Happy viewing at have a nice day everyone.